Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can delete your bio on BIP. So, let's get started. Firstly, open BIP app in your device. Then tap on three-line icon. Next, tap on your profile option. Then you can see the option of bio. Tap on it. Next, remove it. After that, tap on done. So, this is how you can remove your bio on BIP. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.